Hello everyone, in this session we'll discuss double integration. Here are some problems to discuss. Evaluate double integral 0 to 1, 0 to root 1 plus x square dy dx by 1 plus x square y square. Evaluate double integral x square plus y square dx dy over the region in the positive quadrant for which x plus y less than or equal to 1. And third one, evaluate double integral xy dx dy over the positive quadrant of the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1. So these are the problems which we are going to discuss in this session. Coming to the first problem, evaluate. We need to find out the double integral 0 to 1, 0 to under root 1 plus x square dy dx by 1 plus x square plus y square. Okay, here look at these two integral values, limits of x and y. What are limits of x and y? If you look at this upper limit, you have x variable in this upper limit, therefore these are y limits and these are x limits. Okay, you have x is equal to 0 to 1 and y is equal to 0 to under root 1 plus x square dy dx by 1 plus x square plus y square. This is equal to integral 0 to 1. So now you have a variable limits for y. So first integrate with respect to y, later you integrate with respect to x. So I am integrating with respect to y first. So 1 plus x square plus y square into dx. First integrate with respect to y. This is equal to integral 0 to 1. Integral y is equal to 0 to under root 1 plus x square dy by 1 plus x square. You are integrating with respect to y first. So consider x as a constant here. So 1 plus x square can be written as under root 1 plus x square whole square plus y square into dx. Okay, first you are integrating with respect to y. Now we consider x as a constant. 1 plus x square can be written as root 1 plus x square whole square. Okay, now if you look at this value, it is in a form of integral 1 by a square plus y square into dy, which is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of y by a. So the integration of this 1 by a, where a is equal to under root 1 plus x square tan inverse of y by under root 1 plus x square. Limits for y are 0 to under root 1 plus x square into dx. This is equal to integral 0 to 1 by root 1 plus x square tan inverse. Now apply the upper limit under root 1 plus x square root 1 plus x square. We get 1 minus 1 by root 1 plus x square tan inverse. See here tan inverse 0 by something, you get 0 into dx. This is equal to integral x is equal to 0 to 1 by root 1 plus x square tan inverse of tan pi by 4 is 1. So 1 can be written as tan pi by 4. We get this term 0 into dx. Now tan inverse tan gets cancelled. We get 1 pi by 4 can be written as outside of the integral. Integral x is equal to 0 to 1 by root 1 by under root 1 plus x square into dx. The integration of this is pi by 4 integral x is equal to 0 to 1 by under root 1 plus x square dx is log of x plus under root 1 plus x square. Limits for x is 0 to 1. Now apply the upper limit first. Log of 1 plus under root of 1 plus 1 minus log of 0 plus under root of 1 plus 0. This is equal to pi by 4 log of 1 plus 1 is log 2 root 2 minus 1 plus 0 is 1, root 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. Log 1 we get. So this is equal to pi by 4 log of 1 plus root 2. Since log 1 is 0, you get only this. This is the first answer. Okay, this is about first problem. Now, second one, evaluate double integral x square plus y square into dx dy. Evaluate double integral x square plus y square dx dy. Now, to find out this double integral problem, do you have a limits for this? No. In the previous problem we have limits given. So according to these limits we have calculated the integral value. But here we don't have a limits. You need to find out the limits from the region x plus y less than or equal to 1. So you are going to integrate this over the region x plus y less than or equal to 1 in the positive quadrant. So let me draw this first. Okay, x plus y less than or equal to 1 by substituting y0 you get x1, and by substituting x0 you get y1. Therefore this is the origin. This is 1 comma 0 and this is 0 comma 1, and this is x plus y is equal to 1. Okay, so we have to consider which is less than or equal to 1, means this region less than or equal to 1. Okay, which is only in the positive quadrant, means yes, we should consider this. Now, how can we write down the limits for x and y? Remember, in double integral, see, you can take constant limits or variable limits. So I am taking first x limits. Minimum value for x is 0 and maximum we have up to 1. So x limits are 0 to 1 and y limits. So y limits, if I want to take a y limit, if I want to take limits for y, you should draw a parallel strip to this y axis. So minimum value of this is y is equal to 0. That is, limits for y is y is equal to 0, and this is up. From this we get upper limit, that is y is equal to 1 minus x. Okay, we got variable limits for y and we got constant limits for x. Similarly, you can write constant limits for y and you can also write the variable limits for x. Choice is yours. Either way you can write it. Either you can take constant limit for x or variable limits for x. Now, we got the values from this region. We got the limits for this region. Now, do the integration. X square plus y square into dx dy. Integral x is equal to 0 to 1. Now integrate with respect to y first, because you have a variable limits for y. First integrate with respect to y. If I integrate with respect to y, consider x as a constant. So x square y we get plus y cube by 3. Limits 0 to 1 minus x into dx. So this is equal to integral x is equal to 0 to 1 x square, limits upper limit is 1 minus x, you substitute in place of y as a 1 minus x plus 1 minus x whole cube by 3 minus lower limit 0 into something 0, yes, you get 0 only lower limit into dx. This is equal to integral x is equal to 0 to 1. You can take 1 minus x common from these two terms. We get x square plus 1 minus x whole square by 3 into dx. This is equal to x is equal to 0 to 1, 1 minus x into x square plus a minus b whole square. a square plus b square minus 2ab by 3 into dx. This is equal to integral x is equal to 0 to 1, 1 minus x, limit LCM is 3, 3x square plus 1 plus x square minus 2x into dx. This is equal to integral x is equal to 0 to 1, 1 minus x, 3x square plus x square is 4x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 into dx. Now multiply with 1. See, 1 by 3 I can write outside of the integral. Integral x is equal to 0 to 1. 1 into 4x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 4x square into x is 4x cube minus of minus plus 2x square minus x into dx. This is equal to 1 by 3 into minus 4x cube plus 6x square plus 6x square minus 3x plus 1 into dx. This is equal to 1 by 3 minus 4 x power 4 by 4 here you should write integral x is equal to 0 to 1. Now integrate with respect to x, minus 4 x power 4 by 4 plus 6 x cube by 3 minus 3 x square by 2 plus x, limit 0 to 1. 1 by 3, 4 cancel, 3 2s. Now apply the upper limit first, minus 1 plus 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 1. So lower limit is 0. So 1 by 3 into plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So 2 minus 3 by 2. This is equal to 1 by 3 into 2 LCM 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. This is equal to 1 by 6. Okay, the integral value is 1 by 6. So when limits are not given, you have to find out the limits using the given region. Okay, similarly we solve the third problem. Yes, evaluate double integral xy dx dy over the positive quadrant of the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1. Okay, here also limits are not given. When limits are given, you can directly find out the double integration value. When limits are not given, from the given region you have to find out the limits. Here it is a circle equation. You have to draw a circle with radius 1. Okay, this is a circle equation, but you have to integrate this over the positive quadrant of the circle. So you should consider only this region. Okay, only this shaded region you have to integrate along this region. Here it is 0, 0 and it is 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, yes. Now integral, just now I said no, either you take constant limits for x or variable limits for x, your choice. I am taking constant limits for x. X is equal to 0 to 1. Minimum value of x is 0 to maximum 1. And y limits, as I said, when you want to find the limits of y, you have to draw a parallel strip to the y-axis. So minimum value for y is 0 to, it is x square plus y square is equal to 1. From this you get y square is equal to 1 minus x square, y is equal to under root 1 minus x square. So y is equal to under root 1 minus x square. xy dx dy. So we got the variable limits for y and constant limits for x. Now integrate with respect to y first. Okay, I am integrating with respect to y first. Whenever you are integrating with respect to y, consider x as a constant. X is a constant, y integration is y square by 2, limit 0 to under root 1 minus x square into dx. So this is equal to integral x is equal to 0 to 1 x into under root 1 minus x square whole square by 2 minus lower limit is 0 into dx. This is equal to integral x is equal to 0 to 1 x into root square cancel 1 minus x square by 2 into dx. So this is equal to integral x is equal to 0 to 1. So 1 by 2 we can write outside of the integral because it is a constant. X into 1 is x minus x cube into dx. This is equal to 1 by 2 into integral x dx is x square by 2 minus x power 4 by 4 and limits are from 0 to 1. So now apply the limits. 1 by 2 into 1 square is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. This is equal to 1 by 2 into LCM is 4. 2 2s are 2 minus 1. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 minus 1 is 1 by 4. So this is equal to 1 by 8. Therefore, double integral xy dx dy is equal to 1 by 8.